We'll guide you through how to use the Wix Store app to set up and manage your online store effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log in to your Wix account, and once you're on your dashboard, look for the Add Apps option on the left menu. Click on it and type Wix Stores in the search bar. Click on the Wix Stores app, and then hit the Add to Site button. The app will integrate into your website, and you'll see a new section in your dashboard labeled Store Products. Click on Store Products to start adding items to your store. You can enter the product name, description, and price, and upload images. Make sure to categorize your products for easier navigation by your customers. Next, click on Store Settings to configure payment methods and shipping options. You can choose from multiple payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Wix Payments. For shipping, you can set up different rates depending on the location or choose free shipping if you prefer. Once you've set up your products and settings, it's time to customize the look of your store. Go back to your Wix editor and click on the Pages menu. Select the store page and use the drag and drop features to adjust the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Make sure to preview your store and test the checkout process to ensure everything runs smoothly. When you're satisfied, hit Publish to make your store live. Don't forget to monitor your store's performance by using the analytics tools available in your Wix dashboard. This will help you understand customer behavior and make necessary adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.